Hello everyone, Craven here. This is my first full format video on my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. This is a very exciting moment. In this video, I am going to be unboxing the Volui Silver prize bundle that I won from the Stackers Social 1000 members giveaway. And this is how I won it.
I would like the first person to post a picture of a Britannia from their own stack. That's all you need to do in Stack Chat Interact.
Go guys. First one to put an actual Britannia, no screenshots, got to be from your own stack. Well done, well done. Here we go, we'll get over. Stacking with oh, that's KYH's logo, that's not, let's have a look. That looks like it's a photo being taken to me. Si, are you happy with that?
Yeah, looks good. Who's that?
That's I Am Craven, or Stacking with Craven.
So, without further ado, let's open this bad boy. There's definitely a few things in here, guys. First up, oh my god, there's going to be a lot of jealous people. I officially have a Cardiff Gold pen. Now, if you haven't heard, Cardiff Gold pens are superior to all other pens. So this, to be honest, this is going straight in the stack. That's where it's going. Let's put my hand in here. Oh, look at this. Sythesoundman poker chip. Beautiful. Yeah, look at that. And you know what? That's going to take its honourable place in my small but growing stack of poker chips. No way. Guys, look at this. Oh, I didn't think I was going to get one of these. We have a Stackers Social Pokemon card. Look at that. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Join Stackers Social to learn the best way to stack precious metals and beat inflation. 100%. This is like a real goodie bag. I can't believe how much is in here. I don't know if there's more. Oh, there is more. Okay. Oh, hello. Look at this. The Saturday Stack Chat. Yes, that is one of the coolest stickers you will ever see from the stack collector himself. That's absolutely beautiful. That will be cherished. Thank you. Let's pop that there. Some more cool stuff in here. Oh, beautiful. I am so lucky to have one of these. A 1000 member Stackers Social poker chip. If you've not joined Stackers Social, scan this barcode, or QR code I should say, right now. Because having started this journey 4 weeks ago, being part of Stackers Social has elevated my journey beyond what words can really describe. The people I have met, the friends I've made, the journeys that I've been able to follow, share, be part of. There are no words to describe how brilliant of a community there is within Stackers Social. From the first moment that I became a member, after stumbling across one of 365 Days of Silver's YouTube videos and joining the Discord group, everything changed for me. So thank you, Stackers Social. Thank you to the brilliant founders, Sythesoundman, Ben, otherwise known as the Stack Collector, and last but certainly not least, the reason I joined Stackers Social, 365 Days of Silver. Thank you, mate. I can't wait to send you guys a Stacking with Craven poker chip. They're going to be here soon. I'm just waiting on them. And I will also be sending them out to a few of the guys that have been supporting my channel from the very start. And thank you for doing so. You probably know who you are. What have we got in here? Look at this. A Stackers Social sticker. You need to join this Discord group. I am telling you. Don't stack alone. Join the community and be part of something very special. I know what this is, and this is amazing. Are you ready for this? Let's pull this out. Let's turn it around. Oh, look at that. The Stackers Social, 1,000 members. You'll have to let me know in the comments. Can I really risk damaging this with everyday use of coffees whilst I work away? I don't know. Thank you. That's amazing. There's one more thing in this amazing parcel. Okay. Oh. Wow. Congratulations, Stackers Social. 1,000 members. Look at that. This was made by Volui Silver. Thank you so much. Look at this. And guys, I haven't turned it around yet, but this is made of brass. And I believe it was double poured. So there is a completely different design on the back of this. Let's see. Oh, wow. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh. I'm over the moon with this. I really am. I tell you one thing. Thank you, Volui Silver, for creating such a stunning piece. This will stay in the stack forever. This is something I will cherish forever. And I'm so glad that I won this prize bundle. Thank you. Something slipped out that I didn't notice. The Stack Collectors sticker. Thank you, TSC. This will be cherished as well, and this will be stored alongside the Saturday Stack Chat duck sticker. Now, I have received another envelope, and I'm 99% certain this is from BBA, otherwise known as Blistering Barnicles Adventures, who is a staple in the stacking community. Massive character, supports everyone, always the first to comment, always the first to like, shares other people's content, and you know what? It's just a fantastic person. But without further ado, let's see what's in this envelope. I don't know if you guys can see this, but pretty much every part of this is sellotaped. And that's not even me moaning. That is me giving BBA some real respect, because whatever's in here, clearly he wanted to protect. So nothing is getting through this. Good job, mate. What's in here? Stackers Social. Again, love this. Scan that QR code, guys. If you are not part of this group, it's criminal behavior. It really is. Look at this. Straight up metal detecting. Oh, yeah. I'm building up quite the collection here. And this is all just from 2 different packages in the mail. Here's another one from BBA. Hate this coin. The Vault coin collecting on YouTube. This is what we were looking for. There we go. Blistering Barnicles Adventures. Thank you, mate. This means a lot to me. And I'm really happy to have this alongside the other stickers that I picked up today. Thank you. And we also have Finders Keepers, Magnet Fishing. Look at that. Another sticker from BBA. How many stickers do you have? And guys, last but not least, there is a little something in this. You can never have too many of these. Let's put that one right there. And last but not least, BBA's own poker chip. Thank you, mate. That's going to look nice there. Standing out in the red. Let's put you there. With all my other poker chips. And this table was clear before I opened these packages. Look at it now. We recently hit 100 subscribers. Thank you to every single one of you that has supported my channel. I am celebrating 100 subscribers with a giveaway. It's my opportunity to give something back to the community that so far in only 4 weeks has well and truly given everything to me. So guys, I won't tease you anymore. If you didn't notice, I have 2 Scottsdale Mint Vortex bars. This is 1 ounce of 0.9999 fine silver. And they're absolutely beautiful. But to tell you the truth, I don't need 2 of these. So I'm going to be giving away the Vortex bar. This is up for grabs. One of you can win this. The giveaway is happening on the 10th of May, and it's going to be happening through a duck race on the Stack Collectors Saturday night Stack Chat live stream. So if you want to be part of that and you want to win this beautiful 1 ounce fine silver Scottsdale Mint Vortex bar, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment Little John in the post that I will share after uploading this, announcing the giveaway. And on the 10th of May, tune in to the Stack Chat Live on Saturday on the Stack Collectors channel and see if you can win the duck race. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, and I can't wait to keep making new content as we continue adding to the stack. See you in the next one.